I want to challenge you today. I'm going to show you three tarot cards, and before this video is over, you're going to create a complete tarot reading from them. Not just individual card meanings, a real story, a beginning, a middle, and an ending. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you a simple storytelling technique that makes even difficult cards easier to understand. In this video, I want to show you one skill that can completely change the way you read tarot. Because one of the biggest reasons beginners struggle isn't that they don't know enough card meanings. It's that they're trying to read cards individually instead of reading them together. Think about it. If I gave you three random words, they might not mean much on their own. But if I put them into a sentence, suddenly they tell a story. Tarot works the same way, and today we're going to practice that skill together. You'll see three different spreads. You'll create your own story for each one, and then I'll show you how I would connect the cards. Grab a notebook if you'd like, and let's begin. Practice round one. For this exercise, we're using three positions. Card 1, where the story begins. Card 2, the challenge. Card 3, the outcome. Simple, but incredibly powerful. Today's cards are the Fool, Five of Wands, the Star. Take a moment to look at all three cards together. Don't rush to meanings. Just look. Pause the video if you'd like. What story do you see? Who is the main character? What are they trying to achieve? What challenge appears, and how does it end? Take a moment now. Pause the video. Create your own story. Ready? Here's how I might read it. The Fool shows someone beginning a new journey. They're excited, optimistic, open to possibility. Then the Five of Wands appears. Suddenly, things aren't as easy as expected. There are obstacles, competition, conflicting opinions. The journey becomes harder. But eventually we arrive at the Star. Hope returns. The person finds clarity. They realize the struggle was helping them grow. The story isn't about avoiding challenges. It's about finding faith after facing them. Now compare that with your interpretation. Did you see something similar or something completely different? Both are valuable because tarot allows multiple stories to emerge from the same cards. Practice round 2. Let's make things a little more interesting. This time the cards are Eight of Cups, the Hermit, the Sun. Look at them carefully. Before I say anything, ask yourself, what is this person leaving behind? What are they searching for? And what do they eventually discover? Pause the video now. Take your time. Build a story. Ready? Here's my interpretation. A person realizes that something in their life no longer fulfills them, so they walk away, not because it's easy, because they know they need something more meaningful. The Hermit appears next. Now they're searching, reflecting, learning, looking for answers within themselves. Then we arrive at the Sun. The search pays off. They gain clarity, confidence, joy, and a stronger understanding of who they really are. Notice how different this story feels from the first one. The first was about overcoming external challenges. This one is about an internal journey. The cards create different types of stories. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these practice exercises and want more opportunities to read tarot with me, make sure you subscribe. My goal isn't just to teach tarot, it's to help you actually practice tarot, because that's where confidence comes from. And if you've created a story for either of these spreads, leave it in the comments below. I genuinely love reading how different people interpret the same cards. You might even inspire someone else's perspective. Practice round 3. Now we're taking the training wheels off. This time I'm giving you almost no hints. The cards are Page of Pentacles, the Tower, Six of Swords. Take a good look. Observe every detail, the expressions, the movement, the energy. Pause the video and answer these questions. What begins? What changes everything? And where does the person end up? Take your time. Create your own story. Ready? Here's what I see. The Page of Pentacles shows a new opportunity, a new goal, a new idea, something with potential. Then the Tower appears. Everything changes unexpectedly. The original plan falls apart. What seemed stable suddenly isn't. But then we reach the Six of Swords. The person doesn't stay stuck in the chaos. They move forward. They leave the difficult situation behind and begin heading toward calmer waters. It's a story about unexpected change leading to necessary growth. Now that you've completed 3 practice rounds, I want to show you the real secret behind this exercise. Most beginners look at cards and ask, what does this card mean? Experienced readers often ask a different question. What is happening here? That's a powerful shift because stories are easier for our brains to understand than isolated meanings. Whenever you pull mull, card 1 is scene 1, card 2 is scene 2, card 3 is scene 3. Ask yourself, what's happening? What changes? What is learned? Let's repeat that. What's happening? What changes? What is learned? If you can answer those 3 questions, you're already reading tarot. You don't need to know every meaning in the deck. You simply need to observe, connect, and tell the story unfolding in front of you. The more you practice this, the more natural tarot becomes. Final challenge. Let's test what you've learned. Here are your final 3 cards. Strength, 2 of Pentacles, the World. This time I'm not giving my interpretation immediately. Pause the video, build your own story. Beginning, challenge, outcome, and then write it in the comments. I want to see what you came up with. Here's how I might read it. Someone begins with confidence and inner strength. Life becomes busy and demanding. They need to balance multiple responsibilities. But through patience and persistence, they successfully complete an important cycle and reach their goal. That's my story. What's yours? If you completed all 4 exercises, let me know in the comments by writing, I built the story. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep reading, keep experimenting, and keep building stories, because that's where tarot truly comes alive. There's a lot more to uncover. I'll see you in the next one.